Hi, my name is LaDonna Heckard, and I'm a director here at Farmasi USA. I would love to invite you to learn more about pharmacy and the opportunity here to help change your life and to help you obtain your dreams. You can get this kit for only $19.99. Farmasi is not only in the USA, but in Mexico and Canada, and will be launching to other countries soon, like Dominican Republic, Spain, and Malaysia. So I invite you, come aboard, let the leaders, let the team help you get started, guide you along your way. There's a free website, there's no other fees, and you could possibly have the success that you are looking for. This might just be the place for you with a purpose-driven team. There's other product packs available at your time of sign up that you can get, because we all know that success is within your own products that you use and show. Once again, we'd love to have you. Feel free to message me with any questions that you might have, or any member on the purpose-driven team. Thank you very much. And once again, my name is LaDonna Heckard, director here at Farmasi USA.